Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with the spool and the path, so do that now. Put the spool on the pin, secure with the cap, and pull 18-24 inches of thread so you have control. Once done, bring the thread into the top thread guide and follow the machine's arrowed path toward the tension discs. You do this because correct entry into the tension ensures even stitch formation. Make sure the needle is at its highest. This aligns the T-cup lever and prevents skipped steps. Now guide the thread through the tension and T-cup lever. This controls stitch tightness, so keep gentle, steady tension. Next, route the thread down through the small needle bar guide, then thread the needle from front to back. If your machine has an automatic needle threader, use it now, but confirm the hook passes behind the eye. Once threaded, pull for 6 inches of thread under the presser foot toward the back. This prevents the bobbin thread from pulling up as you start sewing. Finish by drawing up the bobbin thread. Hold the upper thread gently, turn the hand wheel toward you so the needle drops and rises to catch the bobbin thread, then pull both threads under the presser foot to the back. Trim excess to about 1/2 inch before stitching. If the machine jams or stitches look loose, check bobbin orientation and that the thread sits properly between the tension discs. Mistakes there cause most issues. Rethreading top and bobbin usually fixes uneven stitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.